Hey everybody, I'm Keith and welcome back to Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. I'm ready for this big roof demolition, even if tearing down work I did last summer hurts a little. As you can see, the roof is looking rough. A few setbacks left me with a punctured tarp, an ugly cover-up, and a peak I just hate looking at. Time to tear it all the way down to the top of the walls and build it right. Let's get at it. So I got the chimney taken off for now. Just got that stored over there. And even though it served its purpose for last fall and last winter, it kept everything nice and dry inside. I never was happy with the roof, so I'm taking all this down, and I hope with some of the slab wood that I have from the lumber mill I can make the cabin look really nice on the outside and the inside too. Kind of disheartening taking the roof off of it, but I know it's going to look better now once I get it all put back on. Should be able to repurpose all these boards here for the front of the overhang. These ones here for inside the cabin before I tarp it up. So you can see inside. Some of these ones here fell off because they weren't even secured last year. They were just put up afterwards. So this time around, when I get all the wood off and all the tarp off, I'll put those boards back on over these beams, and they'll be secured into place, fastened in, nailed or screwed in, and tarp on over. Then I'm going to put the slabs on for that, give it the look on the outside. So it should be nice and completely waterproof, and also give it a nice cabin look on the inside and out. Almost got all of the post that came off the roof now. Almost got all the nails bent down or taken out. It's stacked up here. Nice and neat. We're already spent the past 2 days tidying up. I want to keep everything nice and neat and tidy. This will all be repurposed, like I said, for some furniture, bench and a chair, and a patio. And the rest will be burned for firewood. So I got the demolition done. I'm going to keep the tarp on though for the night because we're supposed to get some showers. What I am thinking of doing, I'm not quite sure yet, but I think I might tear back the peaks from here, probably from here over. So that means I just have to replace these couple boards here because I never was quite happy. You see how I had to fill in a few gaps there. So start from there and go up to the peak, and then cut it out nice and straight so it's all filled in. Then as well, these top beams right here, while I'm at it, I'm going to make it a little bit longer here on this side, so it comes out here a little bit of an overhang. Same thing with the middle, and same thing with over here now on that end. And like I said, there's going to be some of the slabs coming up like siding from the triangle part. Might have one little bit of slabs coming here, and you can see these nails going to be taken out. This board here is still good. That's one attached to the window, so I'm not going to touch that, just clean it up a bit, but there'll be a new one going on top here. So hopefully when I come up tomorrow, I don't think it's supposed to rain, I'll be able to start there, get everything built back up to the peaks, get the cross, and at least at the very least I can get the new tarp over it, just enough to keep the rain off. It's a fairly big project, but compared to starting the whole cabin last summer, not too bad. I'm going to celebrate the, I guess, the demo of the old roof by getting a sandwich and having a coffee and calling it a day, because it looks like it's going to rain out very soon. That's it for now. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires. Having lots of fun up here at the cabin. Lots of work, but lots of fun. Hopefully the garden starts showing some signs of life soon. Be back up to more the next day. Now that the demolition on the roof is done, it's going to be time to start putting the new roof on. So once again, thanks for joining me. We'll see you on the next one.